this is how you're going to contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager. So accessing Meta Support is done through the Business Suite help interface, as there is no direct public contact for a manager. So step 1, you're going to access the Help Center. You're going to log into the Meta Business Suite or the business.facebook.com, and then you're going to look for the question mark icon on the left sidebar to open the Help Center panel. So you can find it right here, and then from there you will be able to see this Help Center panel. Now you're going to scroll down the Help panel past the suggested articles to find and click Contact Support or Create New Case. If you cannot find it, you're just going to scroll down until the very last portion of this, and then you'll be able to see this highlighted in blue Help Center. You're going to click on that, and then it will take you to this page, which is the Business Help Center page. Now from here, you're just going to click on Get Support, which is actually right here at the very top of your screen. You're just going to click on Get Support, and then from there, you're going to select Asset and Request Chat. You're going to select a specific ad account or business asset you have an issue with. So for this one, I don't really have an issue with anything, and then you're just going to have to go through the prompts and look for the Start Chat button. If you are eligible based on active ad spend, you will connect to a live support specialist immediately. If not, you're going to have to fill out the detailed email form. And that is how you're going to contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.